final approach fix altitude is 1,900 feet. Decision altitude is 400 feet. Taxi route in will be as assigned by ATC. We'll be arriving at a gate. We'll use the APU, but please delay the start until my command, as we have a long taxi in. Descent speeds and navigation radios are set. Airport notims have been reviewed. Any questions, comments, or concerns?
No questions.
Approach brief complete.
Cabin crew prepare for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving at our destination shortly. If you are making a connection to another flight, please see the customer service agent meeting this flight or video monitors inside the terminal for connecting gate information.
Descent
For
checklist.
your continued safety, flight attendants will now walk through the cabin to secure it for landing. We'll be collecting all service items, newspapers, and any other items you wish to discard or may not be taking off the aircraft with you. Also, in preparation for landing, please turn off all electronic devices. Stow these devices and all other carry-on items.
150 knots. Minimums 400 feet. Barrow.
VRF 150 knots. Minimum 400 feet. Barrow. Approach briefing.
Completed.
Descent checklist completed.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their upright positions. Make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin. Please turn off all electronic devices until we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you.
Set altimeter to 1013.
1013 set and cross check.
Approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Altimeters.
1013 set.
1013 set. Approach checklist completed.
Gear down, flaps 20,
Gear down.
Radio altimeter.
Radar altimeter alive. Final fix 1,900 feet.
checked.
Not stable.
1,000.
Flaps 30. Manual flight. Checklist complete.
Approaching minimum.
500.
50 above. Decide.
Minimums.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Speed brake.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
Flaps 30.
Landing checklist complete.
Landing.
100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Speed brake up. Reverseurs normal.
Manual brakes.
ICAS auto brake. Sixty knots.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion of our flight. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft is parked safely at the gate. This will be your indication it is safe to move about the cabin, gather your belongings, and disembark. We'd like to thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your business and hope to see you again on a future flight.
Starting the IPU.